Hi, welcome back to another session of Anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to transform your photo into the woodcut or any kind of wood piece in Photoshop. And we will quickly see how to convert this to this. This is a very special technique of Photoshop. By using this technique, you can really project your any image as if they are projected or crafted on the wood piece or some sort of woodcut. So let's jump into Photoshop and let's learn about this artistic technique. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the wooden texture image and the model image. So this is the wooden image which we are going to use for the session, and this is the pretty model which we downloaded from unsplash.com. So just cut the face of this model using quick selection tool and place it on the wood texture. We have already made several sessions about how to use quick selection tool. Please check I button description for the details. To save your time, I will just quickly fast forward this particular action. Once it is done, just click on select and mask. Once it is achieved, just check new layer with layer mask and press OK. Just right click on it, convert to smart object. Press V to enable the move tool and move this particular image on the texture. Do Command T to transform and drag it as per your requirements. Press enter. Just click on masking, grab the brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black and just remove the part which you don't want in your portrait. Just disable this particular and we will rename it to model and just double click it and make it background. Just disable model layer as of now. Click on background. Create another adjustment layer for curves. Check clipping and just brighten the area. Just enable your model layer, click on it and simply go to new adjustment layer and click on black and white. Once it is achieved, just click on clipping. After doing it, just select these two layers by pressing shift. Once you have selected these two layers, just right click and convert to smart object. Go to filter gallery, come to sketch and click on photocopy. Just adjust the sliders as per your requirements, or you can just copy these parameters like this. Press OK. Now just select black and white layer. Go to select color range. Select shadows. Make fuzziness as 0. Press OK. And just click on the layer mask icon to make a layer mask. If you want to remove any spot from your face, you can just simply pick the brush. Make sure foreground color is selected as black. And you can just decrease the size and just remove the spots as per your requirements little bit. Once it is done, just select the main thumbnail and change its blending mode to soft light. Now just right click here, go to blending options, come to bevels and emboss. Now select the parameters as I am selecting here, or you can change as per your requirements. Just select this particular layer, this level layer, and keep it inside a group. If you want to increase the intensity of this portrait, you can just make a copy of it by Ctrl J and decrease the opacity of this particular layer. Click on background, do Ctrl T or Command T, and you can adjust the orientation of this particular woodcut as per your requirements. Now finally we will just make little dark of these lines and we are going to select the levels for it. Just make it something like this. And you can just enable or disable this particular copy if you want. So there you go, you have achieved so wonderful results, and by using this particular technique you can just create any kind of image into the woodcut effect. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Alright, so as we have seen that how effectively and easily we can really craft it or transform our any photograph on any kind of wood piece. And by using this technique, we can really wonderful, very artistic and wonderful effects. And in case you find it difficult using Photoshop or photography or Adobe Premiere Pro, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography, or you can just comment in comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Photography signing off.